Good morning, everyone. I'm Zhang Yajing from Beijing Sanyu Intellectual Property Agency. It's a real pleasure to be here today to talk about patent protection strategies for AI algorithms, a topic that's moving almost as fast as the tech itself. My colleagues have done a great job covering patent eligibility and patentability for AI. My focus today is on tackling what I call the great AI patent paradox. How do we deal with the painfully slow pace of the patent protection when AI technology evolves at breakneck speed? Let's face it, in AI land, new and improved isn't an annual event. It's practically a weekly newsletter. A hot new model today might be yesterday's news or last week's training date by the time you finish your coffee. Meanwhile, getting a patent granted often feels like watching paint dry in slow motion over 2 or 3 years, sometimes longer. This time warp creates a real headache. Imagine finally getting that shiny patent certificate, only to realize the tech it protects is already gathering dust in the museum of obsolete algorithms, or worse, cleverly sidestepped by the latest marketing darling. The commercial punch of your patent significantly weakened. So the million-dollar question becomes, how do you justify a long-term, expensive IP investment that might have the lifespan of a mayfly? Okay, we cannot stop the AI innovation train. Now should we want to? But what we can do is get smarter about how we build our intellectual property defenses. The key is strategic patent landscaping combined with a diversified IP portfolio. Think of it as weaving a resilient attack and defend protection net around your core algorithmic innovations. First up, at the strategic level, we need to build what I call the core and carapace portfolio. Think of it like a knight. You need the strong core armor and overlapping skills for full protection. The core patent, this is your knight breastplate. It targets the fundamental the core patent. This is your knight breastplate. It targets the fundamental relatively stable technological concept. The claims here need to be broad, covering the essence of the invention, aiming for that long-lasting strategic moat. A strong core patent blocks competitors from entering your line and gives you serious leverage in licensing or partnership talks. It's your big stick. The carapace patents, these are the overlapping skills. As your core tech evolves, you continuously file patents on the improvement and refinement, like model printing tricks, new loss functions, optimized training pipelines. These claims are narrow, but they grant more easily and create a dense ticket, a patent carapace around your core. This makes it incredibly hard for competitors to just design around your invention. They hit a wall of patents. Combining the broad core with the dense carapace gives you a multi-layered 360-degree protection. It significantly boosts your portfolio's defensive strength and market competitiveness. Now let's zoom into the claim drafting level. For AI patent, claim strategy is paramount. We deploy a step, layer, state, multiform protection approach. Step protection. AI isn't step protection. AI isn't a single step. It's a process. We draft claims targeting different phrases. Training phrase cover data processing, feature engineering, and parameter thinking. Inference phase focus on input handling, model execution, and output generation. Why? If someone infringes only during inference, you can nail them with your inference claims. Precision strike. Layer protection. Protect your invention from different angles. Cover the method, operators, system, and medium. It's like having multi-locks on your door. Someone bypasses the method claim, hit them with the operator claims. cover all bases. State protection. AI lives everywhere. Cloud, edge devices, tiny chips. Each deployment state had unique challenges. Cloud needs distributed computer claims. Edge needs lightweight real-time claims. Chips need hardware accelerate claims. Draft claims tailored to each state or combinations thereof. Build a full scenario net so competitors cannot just port your algorithm to a different platform and escape. No loopholes. At the portfolio level, relying only on patents in AI is like bringing a knife to a gunfight. Relying only on patents in AI is like bringing a knife to a gunfight. We need the patent plus scenario system. Patent plus trade secret. Draw the line wisely. Patent was easily reverse engineered, got the deep core elements at trade secrets. Patents block copying. Secret protect the uncopyable, strong code. Patent plus copyright. Protect the idea like the novel algorithm with a patent. Protect the expression like the actual source code with copyright. Protect the expression like the actual source code with a copyright. Double lock. Patent plus open source. For non-core models or frameworks, consider open sourcing, for example, and Apache 2.0. Why? Build an ecosystem. Attract developers and partners. Use open source for strategic shield. Patent plus trade secret plus copyright plus open source equals a diversified, resilient IP fortress. This multi-pronged approach is crucial for navigating the competitive AI battlefield. Finally, at the procedure level, the patent system itself, the patent system itself offers tools to keep your protection relevant. For example, in US, after your base patent grant, you can file continuation applications based on the original disclosure. Use this to craft new claims targeting competitors' new products. It's like giving your patent portfolio a software update. This keeps your protection dynamic and aligned with the market, fighting off challenges throughout the patent's life. In conclusion, patenting AI algorithm is not just about applying legal rules anymore. Those days are gone. It's a high-stake game of 3D chess, demanding deep technology understanding, sharp legal expertise, and savvy business strategy. Though it's a high-stakes game of 3D chess, demanding deep technical understanding, sharp legal expertise, and savvy business strategy. As patent professionals, we must ditch the old algorithm-centric mindset. We need a paradigm shift. Start with the technical problem to be solved and anchor everything on the technical achieved. That's why this shift is critical. Focus on the problem and the effect. This big picture views cut through AI chaos, and that clarity, this would let us build rock-solid IP protection around breakthroughs that truly matter. Let's turn this vision into armor. Thank you.